At Zenlytic, we are really, really good at building analytics agents. You know what we're not good at? Naming things. So when we built the world's first proactive analytics agent last year, we had no idea what to call it.
I'll say Joe f***ed it up, but Flow Goblins was perfect.
Man, naming is really hard. I know Drew really likes this whole goblin thing, like process goblins, but it might be too Lord of the Rings style. But what about like processlings? That could work. No, that's still kind of weird. Naming is really challenging. I think Agent Voids is the winner.
In the end, we chose intelligent workflows. And then we went back doing what we do best, building cool products. Even then, we knew workflows was underselling the potential of what this could do. But that name got even sillier as we made this feature more and more powerful. We added in multi-step analytics. We added in dynamic inputs where people could actually be prompted back for questions. We added file uploads. We added agent customization. We added the ability to run these workflows with both SQL and Python for end-to-end analytics. While we were doing all this building, it turns out the industry invented a much better name. So today, we're pleased to announce Proactive Analytics live in Zenlytic. Is it just a name change? Sure. But it also encompasses more than a year of powerful new features, a year of iteration, a year of customer feedback, ever since it started out as boring old workflows. Proactive Analytics is a much better name because it really emphasizes the value that comes out of it. Imagine you have this 24/7 always-on data analyst that never takes breaks, working behind the scenes to watch for important anomalies and alert you when changes happen. These are not just dumb alerts, these are things that you should know. If you'd like to see proactive analytics in action, just reach out. Our proactive agents are getting smarter week by week. We'd love to share them with you.